A terrifying hostage situation leads to a discussion on mental health. Signs one Texas psychiatrist says to look out for. It's been 1 week since a gunman held a North Texas synagogue hostage. As the investigations continue, a Texas psychiatrist shared his thoughts on the situation with News 12's Rebecca Baez. She has the story.
As a society, we tend to ascribe situations which are difficult for us to understand, like mass murder, the murder of a child, hostage situations, to mental illness.
After an armed man took 4 hostages during a live stream service at the Congregation Beth Israel in Colleyville, Texas, understanding the motivation and the mental well-being of the hostage taker is crucial.
The reality may be far from the truth, and being quick to attribute blame to mental illness, even when the perpetrator may have issues with their mental health, further propagates the stigma against mental illness. So it is very important for us to understand that motivations may be multifactorial. All should be considered, and as such, we should assign the adequate level of significance to what those motivations may be.
According to Texas psychiatrist Dr. Felix Torres, the motivation of a hostage taker can vary, and there are some signs to look out for.
If we are seeing that it is one of the planned out events, the individual may be reaching out to family members or friends to say goodbye.
He says for hostage negotiators, it's important to learn these motivations.
A key will be to build a relationship with the hostage taker by creating an emotional connection,
as well as combining crisis management with insight on the personality of the hostage taker.
As such, the negotiator will pay close attention to the hostage taker responses, mannerisms, and is going to create a psychological profile.
Gathering information on their motivations and demands are top priority,
which will give the negotiator important clues as to how the hostage taker might respond to certain situations, leading to an increased likelihood that the hostage crisis will end successfully.
In Sherman, Rebecca Baez, News 12.